I will never be satisfied if we are not winning. We always want to win, but I have to say that we are only 3 days together. But this is not an excuse because we have a lot of quality. I think we can see that we are a better player, a better team on the pitch, but not every time who is better than than wins. We need to know this. I think Alumininem made their job. They were waiting for us, and where we had the problems is when we played a lot of parallel passes, and these passes in the middle that we made the mistake that they were ready to counter-attack us. That's where they hurt us. But with the ball, I said to the boys, today was a day that we play on one way. The first half, we play in another way the second half, and this is knowledge for them. They need to know, and with me they're gonna know a lot of ways how to play because every opponent is different. Okay, it's only 1 point, but I'm sure that we're gonna win a lot of points in front. Yeah. No, I'm quiet, I'm calm because I know the players, the team that I have in my hands. I'm totally satisfied. I know the quality that they have. But we are playing a little bit something different. We are playing to make the opponents small. We play to be protagonists. We play to have the control of the game and all the situations. So this is, of course, it needs a little bit time. But I repeat again, I'm totally satisfied with the team and the players that I have, and I'm sure that we're going to progress. We're going to do it much better, and they will improve because I'm here for this. This is my responsibility that every single player improve their performance, and because I can see that they have a lot still to give. But again, if you ask me if I have any doubt about the team, I will tell you no. Only with the 3 days, of course, is difficult, but I think everybody could see already the way that we want to play, and I'm sure in the next game we will see difference, and we're gonna win. We're gonna win games for sure. Favorites is only on the papers, like we were favorites here today. You need to show on the pitch. So what I want a team that will compete at the same level with them, that we will feel that they are not superior to us. So this is the mentality that I want from the players. We will prepare to play against them like we are the favorites. Like we are the favorites. So because I want this mentality on the team, and I want this mentality and to prepare every single game that we are the protagonists, that we are the team that everybody wants to see on the pitch. It doesn't matter which is the rival.